How to change the spending limit for Instagram ads. So let's get started. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily change the spending limit for Instagram ads. So first thing, just head over to your profile section from the bottom right corner and now simply select the hamburger icon at the top right corner. And once you're inside here, just scroll down and click on this business tools and controls option over here and simply select this first option, that is ads payment. So since I haven't set it up my ad payment, I will simply show you from this example over here, and now simply select your payment method. And once you're inside here, you should see the option that is account spending limit. So as you can see, it has currently been set to $4 spending limit. Just tap on that option. And once you do that, you should be heading over to this page where you can see there is an edit button. Just tap on that and just click on change. You can also actually remove it and just change it to desired amount that you would like, and simply click on write and save. And just like that, you should be able to change the spending limit for Instagram ads. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.